Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Been off doing some other stuff, haven't really had much time to work on the car. Honestly, been kind of procrastinating. Got some body work to do up front and got to paint the front. So I just kind of not really been motivated to do that. So been working on some other small projects, but just haven't really put the time in to work on the paint. So anyways, you guys probably won't even notice. I actually haven't really touched the car in 3 weeks, but because I have so many videos ready to go, you guys won't even notice. But in any case, what I am working on tonight, making some cup holders, some custom cup holders. What I'm asking you guys is, show me where you think I should mount these things. Give me some ideas. I have a few ideas, but I kind of want to bounce it off you guys to see what you think a good spot would be to mount these things. I'll take you inside the car and we'll kind of, show you where I'm thinking. But you guys give me some good ideas on that too, and maybe I'll use one of those. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I've been doing on the front and then get going on building those cup holders. All right, guys. Remember, guys, to always like, comment, subscribe. Hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. All right, guys, let's get her done. All right, guys, so I've been working on that front passenger fender. It's near complete. Got a little bit more sanding to do, just trying to smooth it out. Since I'm running it fenderless, I wanted this to look nice and clean and smooth. It's probably not necessary because I'm putting on textured Herculiner, but I want it to look smooth. So I still have some sanding to do, some cleaning up of this line here, and then I can paint it. So my plan is to run from this line down black, Herculiner textured, and then up here would be green. So it's going to look similar to how I did the back fender, except for the fact that the black stopped underneath here. In the front, it's going to stop up here. The only reason for that is because of the way it changes. There's no clear line right here. So I'm going to use this as the clear brake line. I just think that's going to look a lot cleaner. So that's my plan there. I got quite a bit of work to do on the driver's side. I know it looks kind of chunky right now, but like I said, a lot of that Bondo is just filling in the spot welds. A lot of it just getting sanded down, so I'm not too worried about that. And then I also have a hole that I gotta fill weld and then clean up there. So it's getting there, but like I said, I just been procrastinating on the body work. I don't know why. It just been something that I just really don't want to do right now. So I have that, and then I got to do a little cleanup up here. Okay, I've already fill welded that and just got to do a little Bondo and sanding on that. Blend it in, and then yeah, the whole car will be painted pretty soon here. And I think what I've decided to do is I'm going to paint these guys green with the red in the center there, and then black straps. I think that's going to look nice. But that may change. It may change after I get it painted and put it in there. I don't know. I may not like it. I don't know. We'll see. But again, carpet's going to be black. That's going to be black. So I think it'll stand out nicely, and it'll look really nice in there. All right, guys, let's get going on those cup holders. All right, so without pulling out the chair or the seats, excuse me, this is about the seat height, maybe a little bit lower. I think the seat height might be just a tiny bit higher than this. So my thought is I might want to put these guys right here, okay, on either side. I don't know if that's going to be out of the way enough, okay. Maybe at a slight angle. But then again, the chair is going to be like right about here, so you might be bumping into that with your feet, your legs, your knee, whatever might be the case. My other thought is right in here, okay? That might interfere with my speakers. I don't know, maybe I'll put it at a slight angle. Obviously low enough where you can put a drink in there. That might be a good location. Yeah, you guys kind of fill me in. Obviously the dash is going to be here, so I can't really put him back there. I don't know. I'm kind of digging this right here, maybe. But you get in, it's gonna be right underneath your feet when you're driving. So I don't know. Maybe I could build a bracket off of the dash. If you guys see my other videos, you'll notice what the dash looks like. So maybe I could put it like right here. That might be good. That might work out really nice, actually. I kind of like that spot. So I just kind of have to figure out how to mount those to my dash. I can get a picture of what my dash will look like so you guys can kind of have an idea. So give me some ideas, guys. Yeah, obviously the door will be there. I kind of like this here, but I have to see what the dash looks like when it's all said and done. And the bracket wouldn't be that hard to make, just an L bracket to hold it on. That might look really cool. I like that. So the other thing, guys, these are going to be painted black with red inside, kind of give it a little contrast. So, all right, guys, let me know what you think. Give me some ideas. All right, guys, thanks for watching another episode of Off Axis Builds. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell at the bottom for upcoming notifications. Remember, guys, it's built, not bought. See you in the next one.